So you guys want to cop more shoes on Nike sneakers? Let me show you guys exactly how to do that. So before we get into the video, guys, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is UnlimitedCop. I make videos on streetwear, sneaker, botting, and a bunch of other things. If you guys do learn something from this video, be sure to check out my other ones on my channel. I have a bunch of videos going over sneaker botting, Supreme botting, and a whole lot of other stuff. With that being said, guys, if you guys do enjoy this video or help you guys out in any way, please be sure to hit that like button down below and hit the subscribe button for more content. Without any further ado, guys, let's just hop right into it. So there are a couple of different ways you guys can cop on Nike sneakers. The first is going to be bots. The top 3 Nike sneakers bots are going to be Ghost, B&B, and the Shipbot. Now when it comes to botting on Nike sneakers, guys, you are going to need a couple different things. The first is going to be high quality proxies. You're going to want high quality residential proxies. I don't really have any favorite providers as of right now. Honestly, guys, what I would recommend is you try a couple different ones out and then you see which one works for you, which one works the best, and just go with that provider. I'm actually working on a proxy company as of right now, guys. It should be out in like a month or 2. So I will be sure to let you guys know when that is out so you guys can test out our proxies. I've been using them and I've actually been really impressed with them. Now the next thing you guys are going to need is high quality Nike sneakers accounts. Honestly, guys, it really comes down to having the best of the best because Nike is going to filter out all like the crappy proxies and the crappy accounts. So you guys want to make sure you have the best proxies you can, the best Nike sneakers accounts you can, and obviously the best bot on the market right now, which you can decide for yourself which bot that would be. So really, if you guys do want to bot on Nike sneakers, you do need those 3 things. That's going to be a bot, high quality proxies, and high quality Nike sneakers accounts. If you guys want to see another video on this, like going more in depth, like setting up a bot actually doing something similar, definitely be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know. Now the next thing you guys can do for Nike sneakers is cop manually. This is probably what most of the population is doing right now, just because Nike sneaker bots aren't doing too hot. So there are a couple different ways going manually. The first is obviously going to be on your phone. You can just go on your phone, enter the sneakers draw. You have one chance to get it. Probably not going to hit that often just because Nike sneakers is a lottery system. So you're probably not going to do too well over like a long period of time. So really what I do, guys, is I have a couple different phones here that I enter on. It's pretty simple. It's not really hard to do. All you have to do is make a new sneakers account, verify the phone number, whether it's your friend's phone number or the phone number for the actual phone. Make sure you have different email address, different payment methods, different IP address whenever you enter on the draw, which doesn't really matter if you have like 3 or 4 phones, but if you're using like 10 phones, make sure to use LTE or have different IP addresses for each entry on each phone, which if you don't know what that means, guys, just make sure you don't have 3 phones going in on the same draw with the same like IP address, which is going to be like your Wi-Fi. So like let's say you have 2 phones that don't have LTE, put 2 phones in on the Wi-Fi and then put the next phone in on LTE, just so you have your IP switched up just a little bit. And like I said, guys, be sure to have different information for everything. So you're going to want to jig your address, you're going to have different email address, different credit card, which can be done using privacy. If you don't have a lot of physical credit cards, you can get privacy and have a bunch of virtual ones. I'll have a video down in the description below to show you guys like how to jig your address if you're confused on all that. But pretty much just get as many people as you can to enter the draw for you. Whether it's your friends, your family, just tell them to like download Nike sneakers, enter the draw at this time. And personally, what I recommend is giving them a privacy card. So like you give them a privacy card with a $1 limit. Like 5 minutes before the draw, you up the limit to like however much the shoe is going to be. Be sure to take into account for tax and all that stuff. So if, let's say you have a Jordan 1 dropping, I usually make it like $250, so they can obviously buy the shoe with tax and shipping and all that stuff. And the reason I leave it at $1 before the drop is I don't want them like getting on there and like accidentally buying a shoe or something that you don't want. So it's just a lot safer to make it $1. Then right before the release is up to $250 or whatever. And the next thing you guys manually can do is you have a bot like AYCD or something like that that allows you to have a spoof browser, which is just going to be a browser that has different proxies, so you can just log in there on a different proxy, enter the draw on different information obviously, and get in that way. Actually, guys, let's hop into my computer and I'll show you guys a little bit around there, like what I'm talking about, so you guys have a little more idea of what I'm talking about. And the first program I was talking about was going to be AYCD. They have a spoof browser up here that is going to allow you to have a different IP address for each browser. They're going to allow you to have a different proxy for each browser. Really simple to use, guys. If you guys want a full video on AYCD, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. So really simple, you guys just can hit create over here, and you guys can pick what site you guys want to be on. Obviously for us, we're going to be using Nike sneakers. Then you just put your URL in, put the quantity, select your billing, your proxies, and your one-click profile, which you won't need for sneakers because you don't really worry about one-clicks. I don't have any Nike sneakers accounts loaded on AYCD right now, but you would simply just make Nike sneakers accounts with your friend's phone number or whatever phone number you can use, and then import them into here, open up that browser with a different IP, and then you'll be good to go. Now I want to talk about one more option you guys have if you guys don't have AYCD. This is going to be 100% free. It's going to be a lot better for you guys that aren't trying to invest a lot of money. Alright guys, so we're on Nike sneakers right now. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is obviously have different Nike sneakers accounts. Personally, I probably would run 5 or 6 if you can. And all you guys are going to want to do is open up different Chrome users. Really simple. You can just come up here to your profile, hit add, and then you can name it whatever you want, and then just hit add on Chrome. Then you guys need to install a Chrome extension. I'll have a link there down in the video description below. It's called BP Proxy Switcher, and really all this is going to do, guys, is to switch your proxy for every different Chrome user. It's really easy to use. All you guys are going to want to do is get some proxies, whether it's residential. You can use DC, it might not work as well, but I would probably recommend residential. So to simply navigate to the Chrome web store, type in BP's Proxy Switcher, which I'll have a link down in the description if you guys just want to click the link. Add it to Chrome. So once you guys have the Chrome extension installed, you simply just want to come up here and click it, hit edit, and then paste in your proxies right here. You can hit OK, and then you'll see your list of proxies, and you can just click on one of them. Then just navigate to Nike sneakers, and then just find the release you guys want to go for and enter the draw. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys are wanting to do this method, it's really easy to do. It's not that hard. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to get you. If this wasn't clear or something, you guys want like an updated video, let me know. I mean, I thought this was pretty clear, but if you guys don't get it and you want more like in-depth, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get to that video. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions or anything, definitely be sure to leave a comment down in the comment section below. And as always, if you guys did enjoy this video or helped you guys out in any way, please be sure to leave a like down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. Also guys, if you haven't followed my social medias, those are linked down in the description below. Follow my Twitter, my Instagram, and Snapchat. I'm on there posting, talking to you guys, and answering your guys' questions. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm UnlimitedCop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really about to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.